this video, we'll closely explore how to draw objects on the surfaces of other objects. We use a highly specialized brush called the Mesh Insert Brush for this purpose. This brush allows us to easily and precisely place a selected 3D object onto any chosen surface. To accomplish this, we select the Mesh Insert Brush, and then use the brush palette located here to choose the specific object we want to project onto the surface effectively. In the Modify subsection, we click on the Mesh Insert Preview button and select our desired object. With the left mouse button, we drag our object to the chosen position. When we release the mouse button, the target object is instantly and automatically masked. This feature is extremely useful for making precise adjustments. At this point, we can activate the transformation tools and adjust the object until it looks correct. Let's quickly review the wireframe. As we can see, all objects with the same shape are organized into distinct color groups. That is very beneficial for organizing our objects in the subtool palette. Let's remove the mask and take a look at the subtool palette. Here, we can see that all the added 3D objects now belong to a single subtool. These objects are not polygonally connected to the target object, so it's straightforward to separate them into distinct subtools if necessary. To do this, we go to the Split section. Here, we can divide the subtool into similar parts, such as distinct groups, or separate all added objects into individual subtools easily. Moreover, we can choose to connect the added object to the target object in a polygonal manner. To achieve this, we create a polygroup and position our object precisely at the exact same spot. Now, we remove the mask, and then drag it over an empty area of the stage once more. As we can see, the two objects are now connected. We also have the option to use predefined objects in conjunction with the Insert Mesh brush. For example, we can use various technical objects. If we press the M key, we get access to a small library of the included objects. Here we can also enable symmetry. We have a small library of weapon parts. A library named Spaceship, and a library of body parts, including noses, ears, and a few other objects. All brushes with the prefix IMM are Insert Mesh brushes. It's a good idea to review and examine these. In the next video, we'll cover the shadow box modeling method.